We have age-old traditions, and then we have science. Often a pregnant woman is confused on how to balance the two, right? One such confusion is whether Chandragrahan or lunar eclipse is harmful for pregnant women. Hindu mythology does say that pregnant ladies should take extra care during a Chandragrahan. It is believed that during this period, radiation might harm the unborn baby. Ayurveda says that Rahu Darshana or exposure to both solar or lunar eclipses could expose the pregnant woman to harmful radiations, leading to fetal defects and growth problems. In fact, you will be frequently told to take these precautions. Stay indoors and don't look towards the sky. Do not consume any food cooked during or before the eclipse. Do not work. Just rest during the eclipse. Do not drink or eat anything during the eclipse. Cover the windows with cardboard or thick curtains. And take a bath post the eclipse. Even though these practices are widely followed in many Indian households, there is no scientific evidence that they are effective or even needed. Another widely believed notion is that women are more likely to go into labor during a full moon or an eclipse. Fact? There's actually been a great deal of research done on this, and there is no difference in birth rates related to the lunar cycle. So, follow the traditions if you feel you must, but remember, there is no scientific evidence that a lunar eclipse will affect a pregnant woman or her baby in any way. For more such tips, do download the iMumz app.